Hello, what is up mga mom, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila. And today we are going to unbox and review the YOLO Park Soundwave AMK Mini Series 11cm model kit. And thank you very much YOLO Park for sending this toy or model kit for unboxing, review, and customization. Yan. Thank you very much. Yan. Kung gusto niyo bumili ng Soundwave na YOLO Park na AMK Mini Series, out na to ngayon sa Toy Kingdom. Meron na 549 pesos. Pwede rin kayo bumili sa YOLO Park na Shopee page. You can also visit yolopark.com for any updates regarding YOLO Park's action figures, model kits. You can visit the Facebook page, YOLO Park Official. And yun, YouTube din, meron din sila, YOLO Park. And Instagram, YOLO Park Official. Meron tayong ongoing na giveaway yung Rhinox na AMK na model series. Model kit na yan, na kinostomize natin for YOLO Park. Thank you very much YOLO Park. Super cool products. I'm very excited to unbox these super cool AMK na mini series. We have Megatron, we have Optimus Prime, we have Starscream. Marami tayong i-unbox ngayon. Actually, i-review din Grimlock and Bumblebee. Okay, so start tayo with Soundwave. So si Soundwave, meron every model kit merong manual and box. Yung box art super nice. It's the G1. Yan, sobrang angas tong box design. So you have Transformers logo. The Transformers more than meets the eye. And then you have the YOLO Park seal. Ibig sabihin, ito ay authentic, original. Hindi siya KO, hindi siya bootleg. Hindi siya third party. You have the Transformers text here. Super nice. Superimposed. And then you have the grid background. Soundwave G1 design. YOLO Park logo. Licensed by Hasbro. Soundwave AMK Mini Series. 40 years of Transformers. Sa likod naman, collect them all. You have Starscream, Megatron, Optimus, Bumblebee, and Grimlock. So first, yung height muna niya. Ang height niya ay 4.5 inches tall. So start with the build. So very solid build to. Grabe to mga moms. Super, actually medyo mahigpit yung mga joints niya. Pero yung appearance, grabe. Sobrang ganda. Very angular yung sculpt. May mga sharp edges. Hindi siya sharp na matalas, pero yung angles niya sharp. And then, yung body niya very square. Maraming geometric shapes. So you have the head, the chest, the shoulders, the hands, the arms, and then you have the weapons. Meron siyang shoulder cannon, meron din siyang blaster, and then you have the legs. Ganda ng legs niya rito. Very stable yung build. Pwede pang desk na toy, pwede niyong paglaruan, pwede ibigay sa kids for their entertainment. Very high level of playability. Ganda. Kanina ko pa pinaglalaroan to, and then sobrang bilib na bilib ako dito mga moms. Super angas. Kahit na small scale siya, you can really pose them na super dynamic poses. Pero yun nga lang, yung mga joints niya medyo tight. Okay? So dineliver nila to na naka-squish or naka-flatten yung boxes para ma-maximize din yung shipping box. So yun, very highly playable. And then yung color scheme niya ay indigo, white, silver, yellow, and then you have the Decepticon logo here sa gitna. Tapos meron kang sky blue, tapos yellows, you have the yellow parts, the whites. Very nice color combination. Then meron kang black dito. Ito, tires. I think these are tires. Pero hindi siya umiikot ha. These are also not transformable. Okay, sa ano naman tayo, articulation. Yung head umiikot to, 360. Pero I think na-hinder niya yung movement. Medyo mahirap siyang i-move talaga eh. Minsan kailangan yung gamitin yung hair blower para lang ma-move yung head niya. Ayan o. Ayan. Hirap niyang i-move, grabe. Super tight. Pero sa akin okay na tong tight kaysa naman sa loose, di ba? So na-move din yung shoulder cannon, and then shoulders. Okay, 360 out. And then meron din siyang arm rotation here. Excuse me. More than 90 degrees naman yung elbow bend niya. There you go. And then ball joint sa kamay. Meron din siyang additional accessories. Ito yung accessories niya. You have alt hands, super nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hands. Tapos you have the blaster. Then you have the waist here, super cool. Left arrow, rectangular bars, and right arrow. Sa likod naman, you have the backpack design, the tires. Tapos, pwede kang maglaro talaga dito, ng high playability talaga. Natutuwa talaga ako dito sa AMK Mini series. Ayan. So, front, back, super nice. Tapos, may rotation din dito sa legs. Okay, rotate. Tapos, more than 90 ba to? Hindi, almost 90 degrees to. Actually, 90 degrees yung yung kanyang knee bend. Tapos meron ding ball joint sa paa. Yung ball joint sa paa mahigpit din. So pag tinayo nyo to, very stable. Yun lang mga ma'am sir, sobrang angas nitong Soundwave, and then magpo-proceed na tayo sa next na i-review natin. Actually, before we do that, focus muna natin yung muka. Meron ding red dun sa part ng eyes niya. So that's a very very nice touch. May napansin lang ako dito sa paint application nila. Parang may sumamang very very minor na very thin hair of dust. Yan, dito lang. Dumikit lang siya dun sa paint. Di ko alam kung, ayan o, makakatch nung video, pero meron dito. And then you have the logo. Tapos, ang paint lang nila dito, silver, yellows, ano pa to, light blue, and the logo. Ganda ng logo, very sharp. So yun mga ma'am sir, again, thank you very much YOLO Park. Pwede kayong bumili sa kanilang Shopee page. 549 pesos lang to mga ma'am sir. Okay, 549. YOLOPark.com, YOLO Park official. Sa YouTube naman YOLO Park, sa Instagram YOLOPark.official. Okay? So yun, thank you very much for watching, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.